Hello guys, so you can see the warehouse structure of the exterior. Reinforced this galvanized steel. And you can see the inside. The inside will just put half of the covering material on the roof. So compared with the previous video, so now this got more reinforced structure, galvanized steel for the body of this. Very nice for the warehouse and manufacturing inventory, the new expanded area. So right now we are loading the tunnel greenhouse structures inside of this truck, and let's take a look here. So normally we have one engineer working on this. They are very professional with this work, and you can see in the middle of the tunnel greenhouse pipes we have that woven stripes. So the customer suggests us to place two of the woven stripes in order they can unloading safely and easily for them. So you can see this is the very strong the arch road. So this is the 48 diameter of the arch road here, and that is the pipes, and this is the main arch road for the greenhouse roof structure. You can take a look over there, and the wall thickness of this one should be like 2 millimeter of the wall thickness, or 1.5 millimeter of the wall thickness to 2.0 millimeter. All right. So now you're seeing this is the production line of channel. The channel for filling the film of the greenhouse. The channel is very important. The channel is the steel profile, and you can see its profile here. Now it's 3D profile by here. So we can take a look for this area. You can see it's already formed like 3D. And let's take a look after here. So it become a little bit narrow here, and here it's wider. It's a little bit wider there, and the plain area here. So this is the raw material, a sheet metal comes from here. So through this molding, and it becomes the channel. It becomes a profile channel here. Hello guys, this is our showroom. So in our showroom, so we are showing you guys the list of parts that we are equipped with our greenhouse, and the parts that we are outsourced, and the one that we are manufacturing, pressing and welding in our own factory, and most of them are made by ourselves. And again, this is the tower for hydroponic systems. So here, and also we got some insect nets and also the shading materials sample in our showroom. So let's take a look for some. Those are the bending pipes for the greenhouse in here. So those are the connection parts for the greenhouse as well, and you can see those area. So we have those parts are listed in our parts list for the quotation sheet. And you can see it very clearly for those connecting. So this method of connecting is very advanced, and we are, a leading manufacturer for the greenhouse solution and manufacturing. So those connection parts are in the showroom here, and there as well, and here. So different diameter of pipes here. You can see 40. And this 48 1.5 millimeter is the the bigger and stronger greenhouses that we have. We also can make it as like 60. So 60. So we don't have it. So 60, you can use this. So 80 to 82 millimeter, which is pretty stronger for the main column. And those are the water purifier, and the pots of connections here. And also we have this insect net, and also the shady materia, various options of film with thickness is different. All right, so this is the showroom, and those are the pots of connections here. The china, we can make like 2,000 pieces one day if the production line works pretty well. And for the gutter is 4 meters in length, and the gutter is 1 millimeter wall thickness. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we got 4 production line for the gutter. So this is the gutter here, the gutter production line. The gutter is the production for 200 pieces each production line. It works perfectly in the condition. So you can refer to the previous video. The gutter is working. The gutter production line is working. But today we are just, we will adjusting the machine before open the machine to work on these gutters here. So you can see the gutter have a wide width for the sheet metal, here, like that, through this production line, and those are the molding material for the gutter here. And you can see the gutter is slightly formed its shape here and to there, so it's almost like the shape what you want it, right? So the gutters we are designed for china, so it can directly connect the china here on the gutter. So it's a very advanced design here. So you can see it's already made here, half of it. This is my first time. So those over pipes, and those are for, you can see this is the oval pipes, and stamped in this area. This is for the boom, which we call the hanging rod. Hanging rod is the roof structure reinforced material. So you can see it's quite strong. It's oval pipes, which is really cool. It's a little bit heavier here, so can show you here so you can see what's the thickness over there. So I think it should be like 2 millimeter of the wall thickness, or 1.5 millimeter of the wall thickness. And it looks really stronger for this pipes here. This oval pipes. It's really strong, well taken care, while just putting down in the position here. So you can see this is the 48 diameter of arch rope bending here. So we're bending there, and you can see the connections in the middle of this area. We were using the self-tapping screw to, to fixing this area. So there is oils on the surface of it. And our engineer is still working on this. We are adjusting the machine of this to bending this big pipe. The bigger pipe, stronger model. So here, you can see this is the straight pipes, and they're going to be bended to this after the machining of this. So let's take a look here. Alright, it's bended well. This is how打的，这60的吧？哦，这还是18的。So it is still the 48 diameter. So here, and the self-tapping screws through this way. So we are sampling here, and you can see this area sampling. All right, sampling.